How to search your meeting history with Littlebird AI. First, open browser and look for Littlebird AI and sign into your account. On the home screen, you'll see the Ask Littlebird box in the middle. Since I don't have any previous meetings in this account, I'll demonstrate how the search feature works using a sample question. Click inside the Ask Littlebird box and type something like, "What were the main topics discussed in my recent meetings?" Then click the arrow button to send the question. You can also ask more specific questions, such as, what action items were mentioned in my meetings? Or what decisions were made about the project? Littlebird will search the information available in your account and provide an answer. You can also click Meeting Notes from the left sidebar to view your available meeting records. And that's it. That's how you can search your meeting history using Littlebird AI. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more AI tools, productivity tips, and useful tutorials.